Joe, Beer Master, the Car Master here again with another video. We have a 2022 Kia Sportage. This goes for multiple years and multiple models. I'm going to show you where the spare tire is located. Actually, where it's supposed to be located, I have two here. And I'm going to tell you, I could not find the spare on either one. If you open this package tray here, and there they have a compartment with, storage compartment. We lift this up, and right there is where the spare tire is supposed to be. So I can only assume that these Kias don't come with spare tires. This is the second one I have. I have two here in the shop right now, and both of them, they have the tie down for it, but there's no spare. So I don't know what Kia's doing with this. Doesn't make sense unless it's located somewhere else. I don't know. Can't find it. So get yourself a spare. So here it is. After a little research on the web, Kia replaces the spare tire with a mobility kit. Many of the automobile manufacturers, including Kia, are no longer including spare in new cars. They're focused on substituting them with inflator kits. They believe it reduces the weight of the SUV, increases cargo space, and improves fuel economy. That's great. No spare tire to increase fuel economy. Now, does that make sense? Joe Beer Master. Thanks for watching.